Welcome back everybody to our Sunday school. So what we're going to feature today is going to be leather cleaner from the Glow line. This right here can clean all your leather, your plastics, and all your vinyls inside your interior. It's your interior use only. We're going to clean this real dirty panel, and after you clean it, you always want to condition it. And after that, we're going to follow it with leather conditioner. You always want to condition it with leather conditioner like that. It doesn't crack and it softens up the leather and conditions it. And this right here is not supposed to be shiny. It's supposed to be matte. It's not supposed to be slick. It's just conditioner. All right, so first things first, always got to protect ourselves. What we're using right now is going to be our black nitrile gloves from High-Tech, very good gloves. Then we're going to use an auto fiber sponge to clean the interior. Going to use a High-Tech brush. This brush right here is very rough, so I'm only going to use it on the door panel and stuff like that. When you use it, you cannot use this on your center console if it's black because it will scratch. This right here is only for your leather and vinyl. And then to protect it, conditioner, we're going to use High-Tech's microfiber application pad. So what we're going to use right now is going to be the leather cleaner, auto fiber sponge. I'm going to spray it on the sponge. You always want to be careful. If you're going to spray it on the surface, make sure you don't let it spray it before it can run, because if it runs down, you're going to start making streaks. And once you make streaks, they're very hard to come off. So if you're going to spray on there, spray from the bottom up. And if you do it very lightly, like that, it doesn't run. See, I'm not letting it run. Because if I go like this, and that runs right there, it's going to stain. So now we get our fiber. I always like to have a bucket next to me, like that I can rinse off my sponge, my towels, like that they stay clean, and I don't transfer grime into another spot. Now we get a towel and wipe off. Showing you guys a 50-50 before I do the rest. Okay, so now we're gonna finish the rest of the door with leather cleaner. Now, like I told you guys, if you're gonna spray on there, spray from the bottom up. Like that when it streaks down, like that when it runs down, you don't do any stains. Get this brush right here. All right, so now that we cleaned the door panel, now we're ready to protect it with leather conditioner. Leather conditioner can also be used as a cleaner, but when the car is clean, say like a brand new car, you want to condition it, you condition it, and it'll also pick up grime. If it's very grimy like this one was, you have to clean it first and then condition it. But now that this is clean, every so often, say like every other wash, you can do a condition every month. It's all up to the customer, how they want to do it, and you'll maintain it clean. But once it's grimy, you have to clean it with the cleaner. So now, I'm gonna condition it. And what I always like to do, I always like to apply it. And when I apply it, I like to even it out with the microfiber. Like that, you even it out and you don't leave any highs and lows when it dries, especially on the black parts. Like when you do a whole dash and it's black, sometimes you put more on some areas and it's gonna dry up just like a ceramic will, and it'll leave a highs and lows. But if you even it out with your towel, then when it dries, it's gonna dry all nice and even. Don't forget the window. All right, thanks everybody for joining our Sunday schools. And this was very easy to do in 2-3 steps, because it's 1, 2, and 3, the glass cleaner. And I want to thank everybody for having dirty cars, because if it wasn't for your dirty cars, we wouldn't be here. Thank you.